Now this video lesson is going to be on second grade. So I'm going to click on the yellow button that says All Grades Blending Lessons with Technology. And upon doing so, you'll notice that we have a list of all the grades, and we have simulations, language arts, social studies, science, and math logic. You determine what you want to do. And obviously some Spanish lessons. Now, I'm going to click on second grade. Now I'm going to grab the slider and move it over so we can see everything. Okay, now you have to differentiate what you would like, because you'll notice we have quite a few things here because of our travels around the state. However, let's look at a couple examples. I'm going to click on Online Edition. Upon doing so, I'm going to choose the number 2. And what you need to do here is, after you choose the number 2, is simply type in your name, Penny, and start. Okay, 2 plus 2, well, it's 4, and hit enter. Here we have 2 plus 2 again is 4, and hit enter. So this is really pretty quick. 3 plus 2 is 5, and hit enter. And 9 plus 2 is 11, and hit enter. So you can see, I'm just going to hit an 8 here and see what happens. Now it's going to record your error messages. Okay, let me click back. So you have a general idea of how that works. And that's pretty good. We also have online subtraction, multiplication, and division, depending upon your kids. Now, if you recall, we have math picture puzzles, and we already talked about deck toys. But let's click on deck toys real quick. Deck toys, second grade. Here we have bonding numbers, lessons for addition. These are really pretty good. Lessons for subtraction, and keeps on going down, and simple fractions. Let me click back. Okay, and click back one more time. Math picture puzzles, which is proven to be very, very good. Let's click on this one. And we have 1, 2, 3 pairs. Each one must be equal to 2, right? So bananas are 4, and 4 is 8. Here's 2 is 10. So if this is 4, and this is 8, then 8 minus 4 is 4, so this must be a 2 and a 2, right? Let's click back. I just want to show you that we have a lot of things here for you to work with, all right? Now, scrolling down, we have graphing and number and place value and tallies, okay? Excel is pretty good. Cross number puzzles. This is proven to be very, very good. We have simple addition, right? Let's look at very, very quickly. Let's look at addition, subtraction, okay? Here we have 10 plus 10 minus plus 1. So that's going to be 21. So you put a 2 and a 1. Now do the across first before you do the down, because by doing the across, you will often answer the down questions. Let's look at number 2. 13 plus 3 is 16, so you put a 1 here and a 6 here. Okay? Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, let's go on a little bit further. We've got a lot of things for you. Here's patterns. Now, patterns is pretty good. What we're going to do with patterns, you decide what the pattern is. Here's 28 and 26, so it's going to be reduced by 2, so this one must be 24. So you put a 2 and a 4 here, right? And this is 18 and 16, so this number must be 14. So you put a 1 and a 4. Do the down first before you do, do the across first before you do the down. Okay? Now we have quite a few of those. Place value, you have to decide what you like and what you don't like. Okay? Money value, lessons and measurement. Well, we've got everything here that you could possibly want. One-stop shopping. Okay? Well, let's go back one more time. Well, let's go back up to the top here. And I want to show you this because this is really pretty neat. All the way up to the top. Let's look at social studies, just for the heck of it. Social studies, live view of the Earth. We also have maps and map making. But if you click on the Earth, right, here's the live view of the Earth. And I'm going to change the image size from 320 to 550. Hit my enter key. And the reason for that, if you're projecting it for the kids to see, it's easier for them to do. Okay, here's Hawaii, Pacific Ocean. This is night and day, not the equator, right? And if I click over here, we'll go to an area. Look at this. Here's Australia, right? So Australia, part of it's going to be in the morning, right? And then we have up here in Japan and Hong Kong, it's still nighttime because you see the lights. Okay? So it's really good for the kids to see everything in perspective and in real time. Now, there's a lot more on here, but I don't want to, I need for you to experiment yourself, but we'd like to thank you. Let me click back to the main page. Click back, and we want to thank you for watching our video.